Todd Belt with Belt Insurance with another quick minute on insurance coverages. Today we're going to talk about physical damage coverage on an auto policy, which consists of collision and comprehensive coverages. Okay, an auto policy can have two parts: liability, if you would happen to hurt somebody or damage their vehicle, and then the physical damage coverage side of the policy, which would be coverage to fix your own car in the event something happens there. If you would happen to have both, the liability and the physical damage, that's what a lot of people are going to call full coverage. Okay, so let's talk about collision, which is one of the two coverages on there. Collision coverage helps to pay to repair or replace your car if it's damaged in an accident with another vehicle or object. Pretty simple. You're colliding with something. You can exercise this coverage if you're at fault or not. And then we also have comprehensive coverage, which you will hear some people call other than collision. So anything other than collision that happens to your vehicle would fall under your comprehensive coverage. Now, what's comprehensive coverage? Well, it could be your car catches on fire, it's stolen, hail damage, glass claims fall under the comprehensive part of the policy, vandalism, and the one time you're going to collide with something, which would be animal strikes, are actually covered under comprehensive. So, thanks for your time today. We hope you learned a few things about the physical damage side of the auto policy.